Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. Next one I'm going to run through is batch compare documents. In here, I want to select the current file, so I'm going to grab onto a folder and go into my compare documents. And I just called this one current drawing. That's where all the current drawings are, the full set. I'm going to say select. And then on this one, the revised files, I am going to point to a folder here. Same project, going to select revision 2, and it pulls in those drawings that were affected here. And now I'm going to click on match pages. It's going to recognize how these are named and match those up for me. And then all the unmatched are ones that don't have a revision file. So this worked just the way we wanted to. It found the ones that matched and lined them up together. And before I run that, I'm going to go ahead and tell it where to put those put those drawings. So I'm going to come in here into our project, compare documents, and I'm just going to put them in the root here, select folder, and say OK. So it ran those. I'm going to just say OK here. I don't need to do that report. And let's go back to our folder and open that up into our compare documents. And here you can see in the preview, I'll open up one of these. It ran it on each of those. Here you can see it put a cloud around all the areas that were different between the two drawings. So if we opened those up, the original and the revised, you would see that this wall moved over both of these together slightly. They rearranged this room here and added this one. So it's finding the differences in those drawings in a batch capacity and clouding those for us. So really cool tool there. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.